What's your name and badge number?
Are you videotaping license plates?
Stop the video right here. This citizen is deploying the ultimate legal deterrent immediately. When he cites federal statutes 42 U.S.C. 1983 and 1985 for civil rights conspiracy, he's communicating to the deputy, "I know the law, and I will sue you personally." This is far more effective than just yelling at the police. He's establishing a legal threat and a paper trail for a potential civil rights claim. Notice the deputy's reaction. He attempts to shut down the recording and then simply walks away. That sudden retreat is a classic sign of an officer realizing the citizen is a highly informed legal opponent. The citizen's command to be dismissed is the first sign the power dynamic has completely flipped, and this video is about to become a masterclass in constitutional defense.
What's your name and badge number?
Are you videotaping license plates?
I'm going to tell you right now, okay? If you come out here and you even tell me I can't record something from a public easement, I'm going to hold you liable under Chapter 21, Title 42, United States Code, Section 1983 and 1985 for conspiracy. You're dismissed.
Oh, I'm dismissed.
You're dismissed.
Okay. I'm pretty sure I just asked you a question.
No more questions. I don't answer questions.
All I'm asking.
I want an attorney present.
Okay.
I want an attorney present for any questions that you have.
All I'm asking is just don't cause a disturbance for the people, okay?
I don't care what you're asking. You're dismissed.
I'm gonna go talk to you. Let me see this.
Have a good day.
I do need you to provide me information.
I'm not going to give you ID.
You actually have to.
What crime do you suspect me of?
There is no crime.
Okay, so in Florida, if there is no crime, then I do not have to identify myself. Go fuck yourself. I'm not going to ID. I totally 100,000% refuse.
This is the climax of the legal confrontation. The citizen forces the officer to answer the golden question in a Fourth Amendment challenge. What crime do you suspect me of? And here's the critical part. The officer's inability to articulate any reasonable suspicion means the stop and detention are automatically illegal. The law is clear, as your own narrator points out. Without reasonable suspicion of a crime, the citizen is under no obligation to identify himself. The citizen's aggressive, repeated refusal to ID is 100% legally justified. Every second the officer continues to demand information is a further documentable violation of the citizen's rights, strengthening his potential lawsuit. This segment is a perfect case study in how to exercise your right to remain silent and refuse ID.
I have not committed a crime. You cannot articulate a crime. You just said it in front of 27 people that I didn't commit a crime. If I have not committed a crime, then I do not need to ID. Bye-bye.
The citizen's final blow is his direct challenge to the deputy's qualified immunity. This doctrine usually protects police from personal lawsuits unless they violate a clearly established constitutional right. By citing the specific right to record and the illegality of the detention, the citizen is explicitly telling the officer, "You are violating a clearly established right, and your legal shield is gone." This personal financial threat, the risk of losing a lawsuit, is a powerful deterrent. When the citizen starts talking over the deputies and dismisses their words as unimportant and a waste of time, it's the final psychological victory. The officers have no legal basis for detention and no safe legal path forward. This leaves them with only one option: retreat, leaving the citizen to peacefully exercise his First Amendment right.
Why are you getting upset right now?
I am not going to give you my ID. You have zero chance of me getting, of you getting my ID.
Why you're raising your voice?
You're coming at me. You have 3 deep right now, which is an intimidation against my rights. It is an intimidation against my rights. 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 for violation of 1st and 14th, Article 5 under the 14th Amendment, civil rights. You guys want to play games? I'm telling you right now, I can pro se this. You're going to lose your qualified immunity. I don't want to talk to you. Get the hell away from me. Well, I'm not going to give you ID.
Okay, you're going to listen to me now.
No, I'm not going to listen to you right now. I don't give a rat's ass what you have to say.
Okay.
So you can say whatever you want, but you're on...
You're fine to be here. here and do what you're doing.
I know I'm fine to be here and do what I'm doing, and I'm not going to ID to you, and I don't really care what you have to say. I'm going to talk over you because what you have to say is really unimportant to me. So I'm going to continue to talk over you. What you're saying is a waste of time. I can't even understand you, so just piss off and get lost.